Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Android Health Connect integration in mobile apps step by step clearly. To enable Android Health Connect integration in your mobile app, start by ensuring that your development environment is set up. You will need Android Studio installed on your machine. Open your existing project or create a new one in Android Studio. Next, navigate to your app-level build.gradle file. Add the necessary dependencies for Health Connect to the Dependencies section. Use the latest version of the Health Connect library to ensure compatibility. Sync your project to download the added dependencies. Once the sync is complete, open the Android manifest.xml file. Declare the required permissions for accessing health data. These permissions may include body_sensors, read_health_data, and write_health_data. Next, you will need to implement the Health Connect API in your code. Start by creating an instance of the Health Connect client. Check if the device supports Health Connect. If it does, request the necessary permissions from the user. Make sure to handle the user's response to the permission request appropriately. After permissions are granted, you can proceed to read health data. Use the Health Data API to query and retrieve information like step count, heart rate, or calories burned. You can also write health data back to the Health Connect app using the same API. To ensure smooth integration, test your app on an emulator or a physical device. Monitor for any errors or issues during testing. Once everything works correctly, prepare your app for release. Finally, consider providing users with information on how to set up and use Health Connect within your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.